Welcome everyone to this daily update on Money Squared YouTube channel. I suggest you to watch this video with 1.5x speed for better viewing experience. Let's go on gold on a monthly time frame. Monthly closed engulfing all these previous 4 candles. That indicates a good momentum to the upside. Also taking into consideration the uncertainty about the world peace and all these minor big issues regarding Israel and Palestine that will affect for sure the gold moving down or up. But as of now, we have found on a weekly time frame, we have found this resistance on gold that we're currently printing, but it's not very significant because we need to break these lows in this current weekly in order to say that there's a shift momentum and we can potentially come down a bit after breaking all these highs and retrace a bit to go higher or to go lower. So from a monthly perspective and weekly perspective, we don't have we don't have a lot of information. On the daily time frame, yesterday the Friday's daily just pushed up and then later in the day came back and closed below this resistance, and now the daily on Monday has come and break these current lows, and if we close below here, I believe we will come to this level. Let's just delete this. We will come to this level and eventually tap these levels right over here if we break these lows right over here, which it seems very doable, but we need to close below this level. On the 4-hour time frame, currently we sit just inside this support, inside this range, sorry. Like we have this range here that price also before acted, like it's just this range, and if we close below here we have a high chance of tapping this level, but then this is also very tricky region, which is not very confident for me to take trades. It just has to be very perfect. Break below, come back, make a wick, break the high, break the lows of the breakout candle, and then maybe we can take a sell. But then that wick should not be so big because the first take profit is very small. And yeah, but if we have a closure below here, then we can potentially come and clean this wicks and then have like a smaller stop loss with higher take profit. So let's go again in 1-hour time frame. In 1-hour time frame we are inside another range that we're currently forming, and we need to break above here, close above here, not just break, because you see these wicks and never closing above here, that makes it very difficult. And as soon as we close above here, make a wick, come back, break the highs, then we can potentially tap and clean this level on this resistance, and that would be more feasible because this is also the overall range of gold today, and breaking these levels to the downside would be much more significant because as you can see there is a lot of support hanging on, so we need a lot of volume, which potentially we will come with a New York Stock Exchange open at 3:30, but we don't know that yet. So we have 2 scenarios today. There's no news, not a lot of volume. We have 2 scenarios: break and close above here to take buys for here, and break and close below this level to take some quite risky sells till here and overall till here. So that's about it with gold. GJ, We're gonna go a bit faster on GJ because we took too much time on gold, and I don't want to make this very long video. Monthly on gold on GJ closed bullish, no wick at the top, came back, formed a wick, and now we're breaking the highs on monthly time frame, and now we are on a region from 2016, so we are quite bullish on GJ. Weekly is also very bullish on GJ. As you know, this happens only on Friday, this push up and then close the hole. So but we need to be cautious because this is the major resistance, and as you can see, we had the same kind of candle here. We can just have a tapping candle till here, and then we can have a retracement and make this a double top. So we need to be very cautious on buys. However, as of now, buys stands from a higher time frame perspective. Daily again is the same. We formed this, we made the high, came back, formed support, break the highs, and then we retest this high, and now we're retesting these resistance levels. So we need to be careful. Also here we're approaching this 2 resistance. On a 4-hour time frame, GJ has now finally made a wick, came back to this level, tapped this level, which is a very strong resistance on the previous time frames here, and and then closed bearish. We have the most recent support on 4-hour, we have right over here. And let's go to 1-hour time frame. 1-hour time frame seems very nice at the moment. If we come up and if we come and break the lows of this candle, I believe there's such a scenario gonna happen right over here, which is 1 to 2 risk to reward, and I'm very happy for this to play out because I believe buys have extended quite a lot. There's not a lot of volume to break below above those major resistances to happen to the previously, so we can easily retrace now with the volume dying, and we can just retrace and then close maybe a bit weaker on a daily, and then even if we close like this, we're still closing bullish, but still we need that retracement because we tapped this level. I'm not sure we will be able to close that strong, but we need to break these lows obviously on the 1-hour time frame. If we break these highs, then then I'm not gonna take some buys at the top of the price. That's about it for today's video. Thanks so much for watching, and then we're gonna see how this GJ trade played out on gold. On gold, we need breakout above here to we need a breakout above here to retest this level, or we need a breakout below here, which I'm not sure today is gonna happen, but probably gold will just play around in this range. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.